And we are a little further along with our project, have all the plumbing roughed in, the tub is in, and the shower set is in place as well. We framed our wall and used few boxes to do a little volume mock-up for the cabinetry to know exact center lines of things. So this is, when in doubt, always make a little mock-up so you can see what space you get. And from what we had before, with the big shower box unusable here and the closet there, this is much more spacious situation. So it's coming along. We just need to do the electrical roughing and start closing the wall and get some new plywood on this floor and hook up the shower drain, bore the shower walls and start tiling. So this is coming along nicely. So stay tuned for more because fun will just about to start.